Why did I remember the date so vividly? The time of the day even, is because next day was a day of hope. Suddenly that morning, it was Sunday, June 1941, the streetcars stopped running, and we knew something happened. I mean, there was a silence. I mean, that you walked down on the street, something was happening, and I remember what was happening. I mean, rumors, a war between Soviet Union and Germany began. And that day, there was a ray of hope to us that possibly something will happen. You know, if there's a war, maybe Germany will lose the war. I mean, up to that moment, there was nothing major happening. I mean, you know, the Nazi-controlled press, we were able to get newspapers and so on. Nothing was happening. And at that 41, I mean, we knew that Germany was winning the war, and Paris was occupied and all that. But there were no movements, no hope, no clues for hope.